In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. We'll start from a simple Google search and end inside Binance at the Sell option in your Spot wallet, keeping each click clear and intentional. First, open your web browser and head to Google. Type Binance into the search bar. Before clicking anything, take a second to verify you're heading to the official site. Look for the result that points to Binance.com and is labeled something like Binance, the world's most trusted cryptocurrency exchange. Avoid suspicious links or misspellings, and be cautious with ads that might imitate the official listing. Click that trusted result to land on the Binance homepage. Once the page loads, find the wallet icon on the top navigation. This icon opens the area that aggregates your balances and funding options. You'll need to be signed in to access wallet details. Make sure you only sign in on the official site and consider enabling extra security features on your account. Inside the wallet area, choose Spot. The Spot wallet is where assets you hold for immediate buying and selling are kept, separate from sections like funding or futures. Selecting Spot gives you a straightforward view of your holdings that are available for standard trades. On the Spot page, look for the three vertical dots next to an asset line. This small menu button, often called an ellipsis, reveals quick actions without leaving the page. If your window is narrow or you don't immediately see it, scroll horizontally or expand the browser a bit so the action column appears clearly. Open that ellipsis menu and choose Sell. This takes you to Binance's selling interface for the selected asset. From here, you can review market and limit options, confirm the trading pair, and check the amount you intend to sell. Before you proceed, always double-check the asset, the price, and any fees shown. Small details can affect your outcome, especially in fast-moving markets. That's the full path. Search for Binance on Google, enter through the official result, open the wallet icon, go to Spot, use the three-dot menu, and select Sell. Keeping these clicks in order helps you move confidently and avoid extra navigation. For your safety, bookmark the official site, keep your browser updated, and never share account credentials. Thanks for watching, and follow these same steps anytime you need to quickly reach the Sell option in your Spot wallet.